Education Minister ngisnyo ba kalong productive meeting.
Kinong hikay SSA hapo kasatri jang ka Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association kilalay banya kendo yo minturi ka puli puthi urakam e sangma banbut din halor kimat kibarim kibala dawa nadu usnem kibala sateng badru banbut din habaya day bagajing dawa ka bakilabu baka state budget kan kambon ka budget na kabenta kinong hikay. Hadin balami na kamra terekam jong minister unong yalam jong kinong hikay uba Aristotle Rimbai ubade president kini ka kinhon habakren chikilat pathai khobor ulay thu bagatay ka jinge kendu jong ki kalong ka basngaw tenat bat nakalyang umintri ulakular ban pha no ikaturap kinong hikay siya ka account jong kinong hikay.
Ini ya kendu bentar sini kalau hakapai day bat kaneka bakin constitute no ya chairman jong kaneka State Education Commission berkunjung di Bos Joka. Tidak kalian jom yang ba ka search committee minta kala ya syachai banwa iki beriu ke biang na minta bantu ko chairman jong kaneka commission berkunjung ya ditoki members. Bana kalian jom ulah terpat biang ini bangin ya sya ka ba kalian jom go mereka claim song krikti kalau kadang don hakalenti ka search committee kale ka jong ka kamram tu bersun usa review hakapai day berkani ya ka search committee kalale te kabakadu kabangi discuss hakapai day berkani ka kini ki vacant post mo haki school SSA kamba pila TP minta almost 2 years kini ki school SSA bon kini ki school SSA kilong without teachers mo the student have suffer a lot te minta na kaliang jong i pentip hangi ba ka kani bakin identify ya ki school with less enrollment dan ki zero enrollment school ka ya syachai minta dari banle ya kani ka rationalize ka ya syachai minta tiong ka government kan work out minta kuno ban solve ya kani ka issue jo kini ki bakin post tiong yang iba ka government kadang perkat minta ba kala ban hadin bakala ban identify ya kita ki school kita ki single digit school ni ki zero enrollment ni kita ki school ki ba bon ki enrollment hadin bakal identify kala ban grant permission to ki school who are really deserve to appoint teachers to appoint those teachers who are vacant in the respective school. And for those school who have zero enrollment or less enrollment, the government will take a call or what decision shall be done. Kata kalau kaba nakaliang jung discuss money education minister. Kendu jungi bagi education minister sa kami sama kalong bangi bodin lor kito ki mat barang sa teng jungi. Kabalong kong hiniwan taksi kalong ban ai kublai kerpang ye kamtam ya kecing simkhia jungi ban pentrai kam ya ka ban transfer ya ka tulok jungi na ka account jong ka simam sya ka account jong kino hikai directly. Kumba pila TV na 2018 ila dawa ya kani but we commend kumpulan ka SSA ba hakani ka sarkar ka minta MDE2 under the ministership of Sarki Arakam is Sangma Education Minister kila simkhia ya kani but kila pentrekam ya kani ka manpa ya katulok jungi sya ka account jong kino hikai directly na January onwards kata day number 1 kabaar pad ni one ban follow up akabai day bat katul ka demands ke jongi bangin ang baka state kapan bush sibon ka budget hapo jong ka state budget na benta jong kinong hikai SSA kadang bangin ong ya kendo jinge so kumbangi kendo kini ki pot balde akabai day bat ka issue jong ka salary tingin sum komen menta nakaliang jong education minister da pentip yang iba nakaliang jong ka department kila dip shim ya kata karai ba nani shikmat kinong hikai kim de shu bani kendo jinge akabai day bat ka salary kila ada pula ya ka arrangement ka by day berkane bagi la penting bro yang iba probably la kuno ka first installment na government of India kan one how benai June last week jong June first week jong July te halor jong kane kat pakirang ab ya kane ka first installment side by side kila ada pula ka arrangement na ka state government but soon probably by next week yung ba ya ka salary jong benai March mungkin pelai no menta jong ki no hikai SSA Maar jungi baru education minister ngisnyo ba kalong productive meeting namar ba nakaliang jungi la batay ng issue nya kay ba nakaliang jung government kala shim ki steps mo de kidon ki benda ke ba ni patlong bangin ya tu epi ko ka patlong makan kalong under process ka patte ni bangin tu epi de kalong ka meeting kalong very productive meeting useful